Hey guys, so it's supposed to rain tomorrow, and I'm supposed to be spraying this spray guard on my new egg chair, the cushions. I'm gonna go ahead and do it outside because you want it to be well ventilated. You guys know I just got this pillow. I'm gonna go ahead and put it on this pillow and all the rest of the pillows because this will stop the sun from turning it colors as well as it'll help with waterproofing it. So let's go ahead and do it, okay? What you'll need is this. I'm going to go ahead and have a clear shower curtain also, or whatever type of shower curtain you want, okay? I will let it sit for about 24 hours before you like sit on it or anything. There is a shower curtain, and now I'm about to lay the pillows on it. And guys, I'm going to spray each one separate. Make sure you do it on not a windy day because you don't want it spraying everywhere. One thing I really like about these egg chair cushions is they zip, so I'm able to take them out and wash them. So that's very, very good. Guys, it does not lose its color at all, get wet or anything. It does stink, so make sure you are doing it in a well ventilated area, okay? So we'll go ahead and put this one over here. Make sure you spray each one. And the good thing about this, I actually bought this last year for my patio stuff, and I did not use it, guys. Make sure you are using this on your patio stuff, especially if you are spending some good money. You most definitely want to use this, guys, so it can be able to protect from the sun, from all the other elements as well. Okay, so you guys see how I'm doing it. Let me go ahead and get finished, y'all, and I'll be back. And if you want, you can wear gloves. You also can wear spray over your face, you know, if you don't want to smell it. But it's not that bad. It really ain't. Because you make sure you do it outside on something big, like how I did this shower curtain, so it can just lay out and get dry, okay? Let me get finished with the other one. Make sure you guys are getting them corners too. All these corners. Okay. And then turn it over. And do the other side and let it dry. Guys, so it went a long way. I still have some left. I sprayed it on my gazebo curtains. I sprayed it on my patio furniture, and I also sprayed it on my grill, my barbecue grill cover, and I sprayed it on my fire pit cover. So you can do all of that.